Hey everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to start some seeds indoors for the spring season. It is the beginning of April, so that means it is time to start my tomatoes. And besides the tomatoes, I'm also going to start some other seeds. So let's get my seed box and pick out some seeds for today. I have my seed box ready here. So let's pick out some seeds that I want to grow this year. Here I have some bell pepper and broccoli seeds. It's my first time growing broccoli and bell pepper, so I'm excited for that. And I also have some lettuce. And now I'm looking for my tomato seeds. I will be growing some different varieties this year. Like these two. These are yellow tomatoes. The one on the right is a yellow snack tomato. And the name of the variety is Datolime. And the one on the left is a small bush tomato with yellow cherry tomatoes. It stays very compact, so that also makes it ideal for pots, and it doesn't need any support to grow. The name of that variety was Gourmandise Yellow. And I also have some seeds for Roma tomatoes and some sweetie red cherry tomatoes. And this is another variety, also a bush tomato, and the name of the variety is Maya. This is also a compact grower, ideal for pots. And over here I have some seeds for a yellow pear-shaped cherry tomato. From experience, this is a strong and easy variety to grow. And I have some more seeds for the Maya bush tomato. I have some fresh seeds, so I think I'm going to use these this year. And I'm also going to start some flowers. I have these marigold seeds. This is an ideal combination plant to grow with tomatoes because it protects the tomatoes from harmful pests. I also have some licorice mint seeds. This is also a great flower to have in the garden because it attracts lots of beneficial insects. Lastly, I also have some seeds that I saved myself. I'm not sure if these are still going to work because I don't know how old these are. But I'm going to give them a try to see if they sprout. And I'm also going to get some labels for the sowing today. It's such a beautiful day today, so I decided to head outside to start sowing my seeds. This also saves me a lot of mess indoors. As you can see, I have collected all of my pots and seed trays. These pots over here are air pots. They are supposed to help your plants grow stronger roots and stay healthier. Now I'm going to prepare the soil for sowing my seeds. I'm mixing 1 part vermiculite with 1 part of vegetable garden mix. Before filling the pots, I like to lightly moisten the soil. This helps to make sure it's evenly damp for the seedlings, since soil straight from the bag is often quite dry. before I start sowing, I also like to think about how many plants I want from each kind. This way I also know how many pots I need to use. And now it is time to fill the pots. Now that I'm done filling all of my pots with soil, it is time to start sowing the seeds. But before I start sowing, I always like to place my labels first. This helps me to stay organized. I'm starting with the tomatoes. For this, I make a small hole in each pot. Starting tomatoes in April works really well, as they can usually go outside by mid-May, which means I don't have to repot them in between. And as you will notice, for some varieties I'm only adding one seed per hole. I usually do this with the more expensive seeds when there are only a few in a packet. And since they are new seeds, they tend to germinate really well. For the more common varieties, I usually add 2 to 3 seeds per hole, and then later I thin them out when needed. Once I'm done, I cover the seeds and give them a good watering. Now that I've finished the first trays, I'm moving on to the next. I'm gonna sow some more tomatoes and also some marigolds and bell peppers. Now that the last tray is also done, I'm moving on to the next one. I will again be sowing some more tomatoes, and I will also sow some Indian cress, some more bell peppers, and I'm also going to try the sweet Palermo seeds that I showed you earlier. Now I'm going to start with the last tray. In this one I'm going to sow some broccoli, some licorice mint, and some different types of lettuce. Pre-sowing lettuce is not necessary, but it does give you a little bit more control. I do it to make sure my tiny seedlings don't get eaten by slugs. Lastly, I'm sowing the lettuce. I'm not going to cover the lettuce seeds too much since they need light to germinate. Now I'm just giving them some water, and that's it for today. Here are all the pots that I've sown. I will be placing them on the sunny windowsill inside. And that reminded me of something else I wanted to show you. I still have some potatoes jetting on the windowsill, which some of you might have seen in the previous video. So I'm going to plant those as well to make a bit more space. I have already set aside a spot for the potatoes in this planter. For each potato I make a deep hole near the bottom of the container. This planter fits about 8 potatoes. And after all this work, it is time to enjoy a cup of tea in the garden. I've made myself a fresh ginger tea with some orange and honey. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to leave a like. And if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. I hope to see you in the next one.